Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to just fix pinto beans, and I'm going to put in it some sliced pork side meat. My son gave me in North Carolina, and it will flavor up my beans. And so I just wanted something other that I can keep in the crock pot and it will stay warm for quite a while. I know a lot of people say you do not need to wash the beans before you cook them, but I do. So I'm going to wash these beans right quick. And we're just going to take them, and after we wash them, we're just going to put them in the crock pot. I'm using my little crock pot today. And the only reason I'm using the little bitty, well, it's not a little one, but I've got one smaller than this, is that I'm also going to probably cook up some stew. And this is the pork that he gave me, side meat sliced pork. So we're just going to take part of this and put it in here with these beans. I just took some of this pork. It comes in slices like this. So I'm just going to cut them in two. I'm going to just do a few of them. Don't need a whole bunch of them. It will just flavor up these beans. And we're just going to cover it with water. And you know, that's really all you have to do to get this ready to go. And we put the lid on it, and it will probably cook for 5 or 6 hours. The pork floated to the top, but I've got the beans. I got about that much water in it. We're going to plug it in, and we're going to set it on high for a couple of hours. Pinto beans with slices of sliced pork. Okay, my beans have been cooking now for like 4 or 5 hours, so let's just see what we have got. Wow, they look good. Oh yeah, they are definitely done. So we're going to put us some over here in a bowl. I'm going to put a little pepper and salt on it. And we're just going to give these things a taste. They're really done, which is good. Yes, that's the way I like them. They are really nice and done. And again, this is Kay, Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little short video, not much to it. And you will subscribe to my channel, come back to see me, and try some good old-fashioned pinto beans. Good for you, easy to fix. And again, Kay and Tom, come back to see me. Bye.